Good morning, children. Our story this morning is about the ants and the grasshopper. One beautiful summer day, a lazy grasshopper was sitting out and enjoying the sun, just he did all day long. When the hard-working ants passed by, bearing along with a great effort an ear of corn, and he was turning, taking to the nest. Why you come and chat with me? Asked the grasshopper. Instead of working all day, I am saving food for the winter season, said Hans. I think you should do the same. What will you eat when the weather gets cold? How you feed your hungry household? The grasshopper laughed and said, you are always in such a way. Why do you always work hard and worry? The grasshopper laughed and said, you are always such a hurry and do you always worry? We have got a plenty of food at the present. But the ant was very wise and don't pay attention to the grasshopper's words. He continued working hard and stored enough food for the winter. The winter came sooner than he expected. That grasshopper could not find a place to stay and anything to eat. He went to the ant's house and begged him for food and shelter. I'm sorry, but you can't help, the ant said. I only have room and food for my family. So go and find your food and shelter somewhere else. The grasshoppers walked and said, I should have only followed the ant's example. The grasshopper said sadly, because the grasshopper did not work for food for the summer or for the winter came. So children, the moral values of this story is there's a time for work and there's a time for play. If you play during the time for work, you are supposed to work. Be ready to face the consequence. We should not be lazy in this time.